Stop the Bleeding is made possible by Takeda.
Spencer has this pretty good idea.
It's not a bad idea.
It's an excellent idea.
There are only 5 summer camps in all of Mexico for kids with bleeding disorders, and they're all in bigger, more populated areas that are far away from us. So Spencer thought maybe we should have one.
It won't be a real camp. It'll be a camp-like experience.
For our newly registered families.
So instead of having a quiet, normal, peaceful, quiet work day...
We're going to camp!
Yeah, I heard you.
Hey, welcome. Hola. Want to grab a t-shirt from Dr. Young? Yes. Espé. Good to see you.
Thank you for coming. You can please fill this out for our records.
I like this camp idea. I've been trying to get him to go for years. You could toughen him up a little, huh? Huh?
Junior's diagnosis is new. Some of us are still trying to figure out how to deal with it.
Some of us messed up my hair.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Camp Adonwanableed Tabasco branch. Camp is magic. Say it with me. Camp is magic. Say it again. Camp is magic. Again. Camp is magic. Campers, today, you will make lifelong amigos. You will make memories and play games with our game master, Dr. Young. You will learn our heartfelt camp anthem, written by none other than our very own Benny... Last name? And the day will close with an epic talent show that you will remember for the rest of your life. Hosted by the one and only Mr. Justin Shoehorn.
In the flesh.
Justin is an experienced camper from Camp Adonwanableed Fresno branch. He's experienced and here to help us out. Today, we will force the fun of an entire summer into a single hospital day.
What are they supposed to be doing?
Quality time with peers is key to personal growth. These memories are the foundation of their forever friendship and will feed their confidence all year round. They're about to engage.
I have to pee. Me too.
I do have to pee.
A common bond! Beautiful. Aww. There is no time for peeing, though. We have to move on to the next activity.
It seems incredibly insensitive that we're not allowed to pee and instead we're forced to stand in this kiddie pool.
Look at us, making some spontaneous memories with a quick morning dip in the lake.
I'm about to make a spontaneous memory right in this lake.
Junior, do a backflip. Don't be a chicken.
Hey! What do you guys say to a bathroom break?
Yay!
Okay, next up we have games and... No. This is not camp fun, Dr. Young.
Go fish is the funnest activity I can think of. Unless you kids want to play individual games of solitaire.
I don't like that. Please don't do that. This is wrong. We don't normally do this.
I like go fish.
Me too.
Now you should play blackjack, huh? Now that's a man's sport.
I like go fish too. Fill me in.
Sí, a mí también. Yo también.
Parents, no, please. We have Family Information Day scheduled for later this afternoon. The camp infrastructure is sacred, okay? It's where the magic lives, and that's what leads to personal growth. You need to study the scroll. Dr. Young, where's the archery course? The climbing wall? The horses? Where are the horses, Dr. Young?
What?
I need to lie down.
Yes.
Is he okay?
Games. Okay.
Whoa.
Here you go. Archery. Make it work. How about this? They were chairs, and now it's a climbing wall. Huh?
Seems safe.
Okay. What else? What else? Horses. Benny!
Giddy up.
Okay, come on, kids. Pair up.
Hey!
Woo!
What just happened?
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
All right.
That broke my sanity into two.
Do you have any nines?
Don't say it. I know. Bad idea. But you know, it's a great idea. Putting me in charge of writing the anthem, because I definitely remembered, and this is not me subconsciously trying to tell you I forgot.
Ladies and gentlemen, moms and dad, campers and counselors, welcome to the Camp Adonwanableed Tabasco Branch Talent Show. I'm Justin Shoehorn, and I'll be your host for the evening. The thing is, going to camp means so much more than just the activities we did today. I've been going to camp since I was 7, and I was super nervous the first day of the first summer. But that lasted for, gosh, a minute? Because when you arrive, you feel it, a magic. It's like a safe place for kids with bleeding disorders, but not just safe for your body and bleeds. You know, it's safe for your heart. You're surrounded by support and understanding, and that's a recipe for personal growth. At camp, you become your best self, and there's no list that can plan how it will happen or how amazing that will feel. That's the magic of camp. Plus, the climbing wall is pretty cool. Anyway, that's enough from me. Back to the talent show.
Hi, I'm Benny, and this is Junior and Teo with the Camp Adonwanableed Tabasco Branch Anthem.
I don't want to bleed. You've been fun in each and every way. We played cards and slept on desks, and now you're over in a day. There's no camp out there like you. In fact, there's no camp for miles around, which is why we have decided to start our own summer camp in town.
We'll start out with monthly meetups so kids like us can understand that there's a community amongst us. You just have to reach out your hand.
We know that was more of a pledge than the anthem, but yeah.
Camp, 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 Yeah.
Beautiful play.
Awesome.
Beautiful play.
Yeah, you guys rocked it.
Good job. Thank you. Yes.
Toughen them up a little, huh? Huh? Ay, Chihuahua.
Really, no last name?
You guess is as good as mine.
Can we get a little more sassy?
Yeah. Said sassy.
I am no father. No, I am your grandpa.
I am your grandpa.
Just double? Yes, I do have double. I bought it at the supermarket. Only for $19.99 at your neighborhood Buy and Large. I literally chickens and then like dissect them and then squids. Definitely dissect squids and see what they shoot at. Yes. Yeah, that's great. We can also put snakes in there with feet.
If we could get the moon, I don't know if you guys have the number for the moon.
3132.
3132, that's
Yeah, we're gonna.
Goldfish is.
All right. Well, I'll see you in a moment.
It's not a game. Goldfish is quite. Quite.
And, excuse me. Okay.
Okay, can we redo that?